So today I'm reviewing the iPad Pro M4 OLED and helping you decide if it's actually worth buying this coming holiday season. So before I tell you whether you should upgrade or skip this one, let me show you something surprising. If your tablet ever feels slow, apps reload constantly, or the screen looks dull, switching to this new OLED panel literally feels like turning on color for the first time. But let's back up for a second. The iPad Pro M4 is Apple's most powerful tablet ever. And honestly, it feels less like an upgrade and more like a whole new category. You get that impossibly thin design, new tandem OLED screen, and the M4 chip that launches apps faster than you can tap them. But here's the part that shocked me. When I edited a 4K clip, layered effects, and color graded, everything stayed buttery smooth. No lag, no loading, nothing. This is the kind of jump you don't notice on paper, but you definitely feel while using it. And if you've ever had an Apple Pencil randomly disconnect or feel slightly delayed, there's one new trick that fixes that instantly. The Pencil Pro sensitivity and hover accuracy, it finally feels like writing directly on glass with zero separation. But the real question is it worth buying this holiday season? Well, here's the transformation moment that made my decision. I switched back to my older iPod just minutes ago, and the screen felt washed out. Animations felt slower, and the whole thing suddenly felt dated. The iPad Pro M4 OLED is that kind of upgrade, one you only understand after going back. But this is important. If you're just streaming, browsing, or taking down notes, the iPad Air M2 or even your current iPad is still more than enough. The Pro is really for creators, designers, power users, and anyone who wants the best display Apple has ever shipped. So my quick verdict, yes, it's worth buying this coming holiday season, but only if you'll take advantage of the power and display. Otherwise, save your money. And that's it. That's my quick take on iPad Pro M4 OLED. If this helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what device you want to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.